Hello guys, welcome to Life of Blues Trading Academy. This is your boy MOE, and today we're going to go over gold chart and what I think will happen this week, possible outcome of price movement this week. Now looking at our previous week candle, weekly candle, you can see that price end as bullish, but you can see we have a weak rejection when price go to 268. You can see price came to this close to our all-time high. Price was it was 268, and you can see price close at one um 19 1988. You can see it's zero price close. But now looking at my chart, you can see that there's a previous weekly resistance which is at 18196 1965, and you can see price close above that zone. So what I'm expecting price to do is that I'm expecting price to come down and move up to fill up this week, probably coming back to the 200, 2000, 2000 level. Let's go to our daily time frame. So let's see what the daily time frame is telling us. Now looking at the daily, let's look at our left hand side. Let's look for our where our support and resistance is. Our all-time high. Okay, that's good. Now, what I want price to do, what I simply want price to do for now for me to buy this market, I need the daily candle to do something like this. I need daily candle to do something like this. Um, have rejection coming down like this, but not breaking below the structure, coming down. Then the next one to start moving above. So let me change the color. So I need price to do something like this. Um, yeah, break down and start breaking above. So once I see the break above our previous daily high, then I'm expecting price to go up to fill up this week. So if price don't do that, my bias for buy is not valid. Until price start breaking this previous daily high, then I know that okay, possibility of price going up is very good. So if price break below this previous structure, the next possible um, resistance price coming to is this level here, which is 180, 188. So that's it on gold daily time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours and let's see what the 4 hours is telling us as well. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours is telling us as well. I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame. You can clearly see that price came to a level here. You can see it's level of resistance forming like a break and retest. You can see it, and it's going up. So now this is the daily resistance I was talking about. So if price break above this resistance, the possibility of price coming above here is very high because we have clean candles. You can see in the 4 hour candle, you can see you can have two clean 4 hour candles. So price can easily cover this gap, filling this gap. So that is it on gold. And if price should break below this 4 hour structure, you can anticipate price to keep falling to this level and this level. So that's it on gold. Let's stay tuned and let's see how it plays out. Cash here during the week.